Let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into one of the first AI bots, which is this one over here called Axio. Now, this AI tool was actually built by Alibaba.com. As you guys may or may not know, Alibaba.com is one of the biggest websites when it comes to finding suppliers all around the world. And the suppliers that are on Alibaba.com help when it comes to people that are looking to buy stock in bulk, ship it to their country so that they can send it out one by one to their customers. And Alibaba.com also has suppliers that offer drop shipping services as well. But whatever the case is, whatever type of business you're looking to build up, you can come on here when it comes to getting information on different products that are performing well right now. Let me show you exactly how it works. So you can come onto Axio.com. It's completely free. You don't even need to create an account. And it's going to be in this box where you're going to type your question. And I'm just going to type in this question and tell it to show me the best electronics and gadgets that are selling well right now that I can start drop shipping with low competition. You can tailor this in any way. You can be a bit more detailed. You can be less detailed if you want. But from here, all you need to do is make sure that you've selected product search and then click on this button right here. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with all of these different products that are selling well right now. And I can see that there is this one over here that has over 822 interested customers. And by the way, guys, I'm only using this niche as an example. I'm not saying that you should go away and start selling phone accessories, but there is a lot of interest when it comes to this particular item. So just like that, I've now been able to get an idea of which product I could potentially start selling. And another way in which you can use Axio is to come back onto it just like this. You can, type in the specific type of product that you're looking to sell. And instead of clicking on product search, what you can do is click on business research. And from there, it's going to be able to give you a lot of information when it comes to whatever product that you're thinking about selling. It's going to let you know if it's a growing market. It's going to give you the actual numbers when it comes to the estimate of how big the market is going to be. And just generally, it's going to let you know, information when it comes to the trending types of products for whatever keyword that you typed in. But this now brings me on to one of the second AI tools that you can use, which is AutoDS's product lister. Now, AutoDS is perfect if you're thinking about building up a dropshipping store. You can get your store built using AI as well, but I'm not going to show you that in today's video. Let's assume that you've already got your Shopify dropshipping store set up and you want to list products really quick, and you also want to use AI as well. What you can do is just come on here, type in the keyword for the product in AutoDS's marketplace, and then click on search. You've then got the option to select a specific supplier. So as you can see, there's all of these different suppliers that you can choose from. If you want to use CJ Dropshipping, if you want to use Alibaba, if you want to use any one of these, you can do that. For now, I'm just going to click on AliExpress. And as you can see, there's all of these different results. And right here, we can see the exact same product that we was able to find on Axio with a shipping time of 8 business days. So if I wanted to start selling it, all I got to do is just click on import draft. And it's going to be from here where I'm going to be able to now create a product page using AI instantly. So I've already connected my store to my AutoDS account. That's not difficult to do whatsoever. It takes a few seconds, but I'm going to create a product page right now with AI, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works. So if I just click on generate product page, it's going to ask me what tone do I want. So I'm going to say that I want it to be sellable, and I also want it to be precise as well. Then I'm going to click on this button. And just like that, as you can see, the product page has now been created. So if I want to import it to one of my stores, as you can see right here, I've got my gadget store already synced up. I'm just going to click on save and import. And just like that, the status has been completed. If I just click on this link, it should then take me to the product page for my store where customers are going to be able to buy the item straight away. As you can see, all of the images have been copied and pasted directly from the supplier. And all I now need to do is start driving traffic to this store for me to start generating sales. But moving on to the third AI bot that I want to show you guys, and we're going to be changing gears slightly and move away from physical products now onto digital products. And the first type of digital product that you can make and sell using AI is going to be spreadsheets. Now, right now, most of you are probably thinking, Sam, can you really make money selling spreadsheets? Are people really doing it? Well, the answer to that is yes, because there's this store over here where, as you can see, they've got, a well-designed store. and they're using Shopify and they're selling various different types of finance, habit, and fitness trackers. This is basically what their spreadsheets look like. As you can see, very professional, very well done. It's got formulas, and this is something you're going to be able to do yourself. Now, I'm sure most of you are probably thinking, Sam, how do you know that this site is actually making money? Well, if we just go over to Zeek Analytics, right here, as we can see, they brought in over $23,000 just in 30 days. And that was done by selling 5 simple spreadsheets 900 times. And the AI bot that you can use to do this is Julius.ai. It's free to use, free to sign up with. All you got to do is just enter a prompt just like this. So I'm going to say that I wanted to make a detailed spreadsheet that I plan to sell. And the type of spreadsheet that I want to sell is going to be an online business tracker. I'm giving it information about the columns, the formulas, the way that I want it to look, all of the information that it needs for it to create the exact type of spreadsheet that I envision. So I'm just going to do this, and you can do the exact same thing. Try to be as detailed as possible and then click on enter. And straight away, it should get to work to start producing it. You're going to see all of this. Don't worry about it. You don't need to concern yourself with all of this information, because once it's completed doing that, at the end of it, you're going to see that you've got this link that you're going to be able to click. And it should then take you to the spreadsheet that you're going to own 100%. All of these different formulas are already in there. We can see that they've got the months at the bottom in all of these different sheets. And I want to quickly show you how it's going to look once information is going to be inserted into it, just so that you know exactly how all of this stuff works. Okay, so this is what the spreadsheet is going to look once all the information has been inserted into it. We can see that we've got this pie chart over here that's analyzing all of the information for the end user. When they fill out all the information, this is how it's going to be. And of course, if you wanted Julius.ai to make any adjustments to it, all you need to do is just come back on here, tell it to add whatever you want it to add, any change that you want it to make, and it's going to be able to do it instantly. But swiftly moving on to the fourth AI bot that I want to show you, which is this one over here called Gamma. And the way that this works is that it's going to be able to produce a fully edited ebook that you can use in a number of different ways. If you wanted to give it away as a lead magnet, if you wanted to sell it, if you wanted to use it as a way for you to earn affiliate commissions, the sky's really the limit. So you're going to be able to create your account, come over here to where it says document. And when it comes to making an ebook, you're going to click on A4. If you want to change the amount of pages that's going to go into the ebook, you could do that over here. I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm just going to enter this prompt. I'm going to tell it that I want it to make me an ebook about personal finance, mainly focusing on budgeting methods. You can give it any prompt that you want. It's going to be able to make any type of ebook. So I'm just going to leave it like this, click on generate outline. And it should then come back with the chapters that's going to go into this ebook. You can make any change to the chapter if you want before it actually starts producing the entire book. But I'm going to leave it as it is because it looks all right. I may change the theme to this one. Make sure that it's detailed, and then I'm going to click on generate. And check this out, guys. It's still mind blowing that we're able to make ebooks literally within a matter of seconds. It wasn't too long ago that if I wanted to make an ebook for me to start selling it, it would have taken maybe a week for me to structure it, figure out exactly what I wanted to put into it. But by using this, I'm not saying that outright you're just going to use it as it is. You can do so if you want, but you could just use it as a solid foundation, make any changes to it. You can edit it, add images to it. Using AI bots like this is really powerful, and the beauty of it is that you can use it over and over again when it comes to producing as many ebooks that you want. But moving on to one of the next type of digital products that you're going to be able to make with the help of an AI bot is going to be with Hostinger's Horizon tool. And the way that this one works is that you can use it when it comes to making an application. But when it comes to the world of digital products, one of the ways that you can use it is to make a digital planner. Now, digital planners are taking off right now. If you're able to build up a steady flow of traffic to a paid digital planner that is specific to a niche, then being able to make money from it isn't going to be difficult, because it's going to be able to sell even when you're fast asleep. So you can come onto it just like this. Let's assume that I wanted to make a digital planner that I was going to sell to business owners, specifically e-commerce sellers. What I can do is just type in this prompt: make a digital planner, a to-do list that I plan to sell to e-com store owners that mainly sell on Shopify. be sure to include a daily calendar so that they can track their progress. This is an example of what you would type in, but this has to be one of the most powerful tools that I've seen so far. Let me quickly show you how it works. Okay guys, so it took a few minutes, but I'm back now and it was able to make this fully interactive, fully engaging digital planner that people are going to be able to use when it comes to, writing down their to-do list, writing down their daily notes and their reflections. And it's also going to give the user recommended things to do when it comes to setting up their business. E.g., if I just sold this to someone, they accessed it, they're going to be able to see, okay, what can I do today? And, they can set up their Shopify store, choose their theme, install the essential apps. They can design their store logo and branding. And over here, it's now going to populate everything they need to do. And as they're doing it, they're going to be able to tick it off just like this. From there, they're going to be able to save their progress and they're going to be able to look back in the future, in the past, whatever it is, when it comes to seeing exactly what they did on a specific day. And I've got more videos coming out about how you can use this, what goes into it, the intricacies. So be sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss those future videos. But moving on to one of the next AI tools that I want to show you guys that you can use when it comes to driving traffic to all of these different digital products, which is going to be when it comes to making AI short form videos. And the AI bot that you're going to use for this is going to be InVideo AI. Now, I've shown InVideo AI on my channel quite recently, so you guys already know how it works. You're just going to come onto it, enter a prompt for whatever type of video you want to make, whether it's short form videos, whether it's long form videos, and it's going to be able to produce a fully edited video where you don't need to use your voice, you don't need to show your face, and you can use these videos as a way for you to build up traffic to the different products that you're selling. So this is an AI tool that I'll definitely say that you should check out because you can sign up for free, test it out, see if it's something that you want to continue using. And it's really powerful because there's ways that you can make unique videos without even having to use stock images using their generative AI feature. But moving on to the next AI bot that you can use when it comes to helping you with all of these different side hustles, which is this one right here called 11 Labs. Now, this one's perfect when it comes to getting AI generated voices, but I've been using it recently when it comes to cloning my own voice. So let me just log into my account and show you exactly what I'm talking about. So it's going to be in this section over here where you can see the library of different voices that they've got. But if you wanted to clone your own voice, you're going to be able to click into this button right here. And it is important to know that when it comes to cloning your voice and making it sound as realistic as possible, it's going to take up to 30 minutes for you to, record your voice and send it over to them. But if you wanted an instant voice clone where it doesn't sound 100% accurate, you can use this option. So I'm going to use this right now and I'm going to be back in 2 secs. Okay, perfect. So I've just done that and I'm just going to quickly paste this text in there and I want you guys to hear how it sounds. Again, it's not going to sound 100% realistic because I didn't spend the most time doing it, but let's just click on this and click on play. My name is Sam and right now I'm showing you this AI bot that can help you make money online as a complete beginner. It's a game changer because it can change your voice and make it sound like the real thing. Okay, so there you go. Again, not 100% accurate, but sounds very similar. And if I put more time into it, I'm going to be able to get more of the real thing. And from that, I'm now going to be able to use these different AI voices when it comes to helping me save so much time in so many different ways. If I wanted to use a voiceover on a particular faceless YouTube video, I'm going to be able to do that. And it's not going to be some random voice, but it's going to be my voice. Same thing goes with short form videos or whatever it is. The list is endless when it comes to how you can use AI generated voices, especially your own one, to help you start up a side hustle. But this now brings me on to one of the final AI bots that I want to show you guys, which is one that you've heard of countless times, OpenAI. Now, OpenAI is, of course, the company that owns ChatGPT, DALL-E, and, a couple others. But there's a particular way that I've been using it recently when it comes to setting up an automation that allows me to make money even when I'm fast asleep. And it all comes down to connecting OpenAI to another software called Make.com. Because with Make.com, you're going to be able to set up these different sequences that you can use in a couple different ways. As you can see right here, I've got this sequence where I'm telling Make.com to keep an eye out on a specific Google Sheet From there, OpenAI is going to take a certain action and complete a certain task. And in this case, it's going to be sending out emails to prospective clients. So this is a great way for you to build up a automated work from home job. And another integration that I've been able to do with Make.com, again, is with Google Sheet to OpenAI that completes a certain task. In this case, it's going to be to produce a SEO blog article that's going to be posted to a dropshipping Shopify store. So these are the different types of scenarios that I've set up with Make.com with the help of OpenAI, and you guys can do the exact same thing. Now, if you want to watch a recent video that I made not too long ago where I show you how you can use this exact setup to help you make money online, I'm going to leave that video right there. Be sure to watch that straight after this because that video has already helped out countless people. So many people have already started messaging me, letting me know that they've been able to increase their traffic on their Shopify store and start bringing money through the door. So watch that straight after this. I'm sure it's going to help you out too. And don't forget to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell notification if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys over there. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.